Imagine this: waking up on a different planet, the red soil of Mars beneath your feet. But the question is, could life on Mars ever be a reality? Since time immemorial, humans have been utterly captivated by the red planet. Mars has been a constant source of intrigue, an enigma in our night sky. The ancient Egyptians, for instance, saw this celestial body as an unfavorable omen, a harbinger of war and discord. Through the ages, as our understanding of the cosmos expanded, so did our fascination with Mars. We began to view it not just as a distant, glowing point in the sky, but as a potential destination, a place to explore, a new frontier. Our perceptions of Mars have evolved dramatically over the centuries, from a sign of impending doom to a beacon of hope for future exploration and colonization. But it wasn't until the age of space exploration when our curiosity truly took flight. The dawn of space exploration brought new possibilities, and Mars was at the forefront of our collective curiosity. As we cast our gaze to the heavens, we set our sights on the red planet. The first successful mission to Mars was the Mariner 4, launched by NASA in 1964. This brave little spacecraft traveled over 200 million miles to give us the first close-up images of Mars. It was a monumental achievement, but it was just the beginning. Fast forward to the mid-70s and we launched Viking 1 and 2. These missions were ambitious, aiming not just to orbit Mars, but to land. The Vikings faced numerous challenges, from harsh Martian weather to technical difficulties. Yet, against all odds, they succeeded. Viking 1 and 2 sent back the first color photographs, and they conducted experiments that hinted at the possibility of life. These early missions to Mars were daring, fraught with difficulties and uncertainties, but each challenge overcome was a step forward. Each piece of information gleaned, a puzzle piece fitting into the vast cosmic jigsaw. These missions gave us invaluable insights into Mars's atmosphere, geology, and potential for life. In their wake, they left a legacy of knowledge and inspiration. They sparked imaginations, fueled scientific inquiry, and stoked the flames of curiosity. They reminded us that the universe is a grand tapestry, ripe for exploration. These missions paved the way for future exploration and sparked a renewed interest in the red planet. As technology advanced, so too did our exploration of Mars. The modern era of Mars exploration has been marked by some truly remarkable missions. One of the most well-known of these is undoubtedly the Mars rover mission. These robotic explorers, from the Sojourner to the Perseverance, have been our eyes and ears on the red planet, traversing its rocky terrain, capturing stunning images, and collecting valuable data. The Mars rover's findings have been nothing short of revolutionary. They've discovered evidence of water in Mars' past, a critical element for life as we know it. This evidence comes in the form of ancient riverbeds and mineral deposits that could only have formed in the presence of water. But the discoveries don't stop there. The rovers have also found traces of organic compounds, the building blocks of life. While this doesn't confirm the existence of past life on Mars, it certainly makes the idea more plausible. After all, where there's water and organic material, life, at least in theory, could exist. Then there's the Mars helicopter Ingenuity, a small robotic helicopter that's been making history with its flights in the thin Martian atmosphere. Ingenuity serves as a testament to our technological prowess and opens up new possibilities for exploring Mars and other planets. The information gathered from these modern missions is not just about understanding Mars's past, it's also about our future. Could humans survive on Mars? The presence of water, even if only in the past, suggests the possibility of extracting it from the soil. The discovery of organic compounds points to the potential for making soil fertile for crops. And the successful flights of Ingenuity hint at the prospect of humans one day flying through the Martian skies. These modern missions have provided us with invaluable information, but the question remains, could we ever live on Mars? The answer might still be far off, but with every new discovery, every successful mission, we inch closer to unraveling the mysteries of the red planet, and perhaps one day calling it home. The future of Mars exploration is as exciting as it is uncertain. As we look ahead, we see a horizon filled with potential and promise, but also with considerable challenges and unknowns. In the near future, we expect to see an increase in Martian missions. These missions are not just limited to rovers and satellites anymore. No, we're talking about human footprints on the dusty red soil of Mars. Ambitious plans from both NASA and private companies like SpaceX have set their sights on sending humans to Mars within the next 2 decades. However, as thrilling as the prospect of human exploration of Mars may be, it's not something we can rush into without due diligence. There are numerous challenges we must overcome first. For instance, we need to figure out how to sustain human life on Mars. This includes everything from producing food and water to maintaining a breathable atmosphere. And it's not just about survival. We also have to consider the potential health risks of living on Mars. You see, the Martian environment is quite different from Earth's. It has a thin atmosphere, low gravity, and high radiation levels. These factors could potentially have significant impacts on human health, possibly affecting everything from bone density to mental well-being. But despite these challenges, the prospect of exploring Mars, of possibly finding life there, continues to inspire us. There's a certain allure to the unknown, a certain thrill in pushing boundaries and exploring new frontiers. And Mars, with its red deserts and towering volcanoes, is one such frontier. While the journey to Mars will undoubtedly be fraught with obstacles and uncertainties, it's a journey we're willing to undertake. It's a journey of discovery and exploration. A journey driven by our innate curiosity and our insatiable desire to understand the universe around us. While there is much we still need to learn about Mars, the possibility of life on the red planet continues to captivate us. And as we look to the future, we can't help but wonder, what mysteries does Mars hold? What secrets are buried beneath its red sands? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain, the future of Mars exploration is a journey we're all excited to embark on. From ancient fascination to modern exploration, Mars has always been a source of wonder. We've journeyed from early stargazers questioning the red dot in the sky, to pioneers launching probes and rovers to unearth its mysteries. Today, we stand on the precipice of a new era, with manned missions to Mars no longer a dream, but a tangible goal. As we continue to reach for the stars, one can't help but wonder, will life on Mars ever be a reality? Only time will tell.